We were here how many years ago?
I don't remember, maybe 12, no? Something like that?
I think something like 12 years ago, when this major restoration of this beautiful Hotel Particulier from the 17th century was only just en route.
Very often you photograph things which are brand new and people are new. Everything feels new. Here, everything feels like they have a quality, authenticity about it. Authenticity about you, about the space, about the architecture, about the furniture, you know. You were able to tell a grand story about your place. It's very difficult to speak about yourself. Making your own environment is, in a way, the best autobiography you can write.
What I was really aware of was the history of the house itself, because the house was like a sleeping beauty. It hadn't been lived in as a noble residence, as a wing of a palace. It hadn't been lived in like that, I think, for many hundreds of years.
You feel a sense of history here, even if it's total invention of yours. And it is like you've been here for many generations.
It's got a lot to do with friends. There's so many connections with people I love that have made things, and that's what I feel is a lot to do with the spirit of the place.